Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for a link price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the weekly chart here, we are looking at the all-time history for link 1 and then wave 2 here as an expanding flat for wave 2 finished, of course. And then we're looking for higher in an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, finishing a wave 3 and a B and a C for a wave 4, or your wave 4 is simply a zigzag here to be finished. Then your wave 5 has finished as 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, finishing this wave 5, this wave 1 or a potential wave 8. After both case scenarios, you would like to see 3 corrective waves where we saw W, X and a Y, very long wave Y and very complex structure W, X, Y, Z, Y. Of course, not necessarily here to market. We have to just note that this is a corrective wave finished exactly at this bottom in a sideways range at the end, finishing a wave B or a wave 2, and of course a potential wave A in your bearish scenario coming, of course, after a few minutes. So in the bullish scenarios, you are looking therefore for an A, a B, and a C toward the upside. Your wave C would like to reach the 1-to-1 fib level taken from this wave A to the wave B, and then of course hitting this 1-to-1 at $57 for a link. In case you are more impulsive in a 1, 2, and then 3, of course your wave 3 would like to reach the 1.618 at $87. Don't forget that these are only the fib levels taken on the linear chart, but not on the fib level for a logarithmic chart. And that means, of course, in case we are, of course, here just a 5 waves up for a wave C, therefore I suggest that this is only your wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the upside for the next cycles. Why I'm saying this? Because definitely the market, the crypto market, always moves on the logarithmic levels. And when I bring the logarithmic levels here, you're gonna see the 1-to-1 fib level is at $2,070. Meaning if Link will repeat the same move toward the upside as a wave A, will repeat that exactly for a wave C, you will reach exactly this level in a few cycles later, of course. And that, of course, will be until 2027 probably, that we might reach, of course, this price action. And of course, right now we are finishing probably here your wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. This is the idea. And of course, the same apply for the 1.618 in case you are in a wave 3 toward the upside, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, meaning over than $5,000 for link. Now let's move to the daily, of course, after looking at a very very far future, but I mean very nice. I mean, if you want to have a nice investment, that could be a good plan, of course, for the future, for long term. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. And this is, of course, a leading diagonal for a wave 1, and then 2, 3, 4 and a 5, meaning we're looking for higher 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is, of course, is unfolding perfectly as predicted. Now, if we move a little bit further on the 4-hour chart to check this hastiness of this move toward the upside, of course, we're having some choppy waves here, but it is obvious that it is very impulsive. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Wow, okay. I mean, it looks nice. It looks nice, impulsive, but yes, I mean, it looks a little bit tricky. If we move 1 hour, as you can see, this is your wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Everything looks fine. Your wave 5 is a ending diagonal, not leading, is an ending diagonal, of course, for a wave 1 and A, B, and a C finished probably and moving for higher prices. So let's label this. Actually, it might be labeled already on the, here we go. Yes. So we were looking here. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, your wave 1 should be here actually. And we were expecting that this might be an expanding flat, but actually no. This has, of course, transformed to something else right now since our last analysis. So of course we got a wave 5 here as ending diagonal. Very nice. So 1 and then 2, of course, you for your A, B, and a C, very clear A, B, C, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 continuation for higher prices. So basically, yeah, I would say, yeah, this looks like an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. Your wave 4 did not interfere with your zone 1. That looks like a 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for another 1, 2 probably, and then 3, 4, 5 for 5. So basically, we're looking definitely for higher. We have reached the 0.38 perfect fib level for a wave 2. This is a minimum requirement, and it is nice as well to see it. Now your targets. Let's talk some targets here. Our targets. So I think we need to change some colors here as well. Let me put this in a smaller. Okay, so this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will finish, of course, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, exactly, because we are looking for a wave 5 in the yellow scenario. Yeah, let's move again to the 4-hour chart to see it in a bigger view. Here we go. So we are looking for a 1, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah. To finish, of course, this scenario, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, this should be okay. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and actually this is gonna finish your wave 3, and then 4 and a 5, even for higher. All right, so we have a lot for we have still a lot. We have a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 probably. But yeah, I suggest something else here. I start to see something else. First, let me put this in very small. This is your wave 1, 2. Okay, so if I say this is 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, I prefer this. 4 and a 5, then 3, 4, and a 5. Yes, this is a better counting right now. Okay, yeah, this is much more clearer. That yes, I think that only a wave 5 has to be finished right now, because this is gonna anyway finish a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the upside again. But we're gonna have a bearish market definitely a little bit before for wave 2. So our targets, guys, our targets, sorry that I took some time to get the targets for you guys. So here we go. Wave 3 is 1.618. Okay. And here we go. 4 and a 5, $45. Very nice. $45 for wave 3, and of course it might go higher even for wave 5 later on. But basically, those are the insights. Let's have some confluence here, because it makes us much more, how to say, confident about this target. So wave 5 over wave 1. Oh, perfect confluence. Yes, perfect confluence. So I suggest 1-to-1 fib level, which is the most common target for a wave 5 here. And look at the beautiful confluence here, where you might finish a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, where your wave 5 just overshoots the wave 3, taking the high perfectly at $48. Very, very nice scenario. Yeah, so that's it for Link price prediction, of course, based on Elliott wave analysis. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.